Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish in Blender. First, open Blender and add a basic mesh, like a cube. Scale it along the x-axis to create an elongated shape, roughly 3 units long. Then, activate proportional editing and gently pull and push vertices to form the initial fish body. Focus on establishing the main silhouette, ensuring a smooth, natural curve from head to tail. Next, let's add the fins. Select faces on the top, sides, and back of the body, then extrude them outwards to form the dorsal, pectoral, and caudal fins. Use loop cuts to add more geometry, allowing for finer shaping and a more organic look. For the eyes, add 2 small spheres and position them on the head. Extrude a small indentation for the mouth. Now, it's time to bring your fish to life with textures. First, unwrap the UVs of your model to prepare it for painting or applying image textures. Create a new material in the shading workspace. Start with a base color, perhaps a vibrant blue or orange. Then, add a noise texture or an image texture to simulate scales, adjusting the scale and rotation for a realistic effect. Finally, let's set up the scene for rendering. Implement a 3-point lighting setup using a key light, fill light, and backlight to highlight your fish's form. Position your camera to capture the best angle, perhaps a slightly low angle looking up. Choose your preferred render engine, Cycles for realism or Eevee for speed, and render your beautiful fish model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.